Hi Felicities, this is Jen Victor and you are tuned into the channel with no name. I'm putting my phone over there. Thanks for tuning in. I know it has been a minute since I posted and I'm really sorry. There's a lot of reasons and I can just go on a whole like spiel about it, but I'm back doing a video and so let's just get this party started. Today I'm doing a highly requested video, and by highly requested I mean somebody commented on an Instagram post about this bag and said I should do a bag review, and I'll take that as highly requested, right? That's what YouTubers say, like one person requested it and it's highly requested. And this very special bag is the Henri Bendel 712 Convertible Shoulder Flap. And I say it's the color like turquoise, but the actual color that they have on the Henri Bendel site when it was selling was Tahitian Tide. We're not gonna go too in depth about like why did they have to name it Tahitian Tide, but whatever. It's like a very, very nice turquoise color. And this is a really special bag to me. Ooh, sorry. I literally just ate ramen, so I think my stomach's agreeing with it, but hopefully nothing crazy happens in the middle of this filming. So this is actually my 4-year sobriety chip. I did an unboxing about 8 months ago, and y'all know that this is a very special bag to me because in my 4 years of being sober, 3 of those years I actually elected to get a bag as a sobriety chip, and so this marks my 4 years of sobriety. And I just feel really like, just in a quick spiel, like, I just feel so much better not doing drugs and alcohol, and I feel like I'm able to do my passion, you know, and pursue it and not hurt and harm people. And so, yeah, this bag is special for a lot of reasons, not just because it's like a really awesome flap alternative, but it's also a really just cute bag, and I really love this color. So if you look at this, if you look at my watch, like this is one of my favorite colors. I really don't need any more bags like this, but you know, I'm a bag addict. And so I will link the video down below if you're too lazy to look for it on my channel, but I did the unboxing and this is the cute little box that it comes in. And let me just show y'all really quick, like, this is why I love Henri Bendel and it's such an underappreciated bag. Like, look at this, they have their own box. Let me clarify, like, their own box, like, you know, this is the quintessential Henri Bendel, like, kind of like detailing. And then I'm gonna open it and it has it actually gets tied up in a ribbon, and they have their own dust paper. And I don't know where the dust bag is. It's somewhere in this room. I have a lot of dust bags, but I just think that for the price that you're getting for Henri Bendel, you're getting like the feel of luxury, and this is lambskin, and this feels so luxurious. Like, that's already like 1 point on, like, 10 points for Gryffindor, like that. Because the lambskin is like really amazing. You know what I'm saying? Like, what I mean is like, one, that's a check. I think I was chatting with Frozen Luxury about this a while back, and we were like, he was telling me, oh, you just gotta take care of the lambskin, like how you take care of your Dior lambskin. And I said, oh, that's cool. Well, I abuse my bag, so that means I'm not gonna be taking care of it. But no, it's actually kind of amazing how it's held up. This is the lamb, and I say this is a flap alternative, but if you actually look at it, it's also kind of very Gucci Marmont-esque, even like the way it opens, and this little strap. And I think that's one of the biggest things about it is you don't have to break the bank. You can style on a budget, and this is one of those bags. And I said this is a bag on a budget because I got it for like a little bit around $300 because it was like on sale, and even at its cheapest it was even way lower than that. And so it's kind of amazing the deals you get at Henri Bendel, and like the iconic silhouettes, and then just like really amazing leather and really cool patterns. And so as you can see, it's like with goldish hardware. Do I stand up? Like, yeah. Ah, I hit my butt. I haven't filmed in a long time, so don't make fun of me. Really quick too, I'm gonna go on a tangent, since we go on tangents a lot on this channel. OMG, like, I got this really cool like chair on a discount recently. It was like 80 bucks compared to like the 300 it would have sold for retail. If you can kind of see it, it's like, ugh. I can be like that YouTuber now and like sit in here. I didn't put it in the middle since I needed something to put the bag somewhere. But shout out to my coworker Janet for helping me chuck this in her car, and almost seriously, like, this totally could have fallen out of her like car because we like made it fit, tied a rope, and then the rope kind of broke and we didn't know while we were driving, but we made it. And my nephew who let me borrow his van to be able to bring this home. But yeah, so back to the bag. So I just kind of sort of showed you the shoulder, the shoulder style or shoulder mod shot, more or less. So you can double it up, and you can also wear it like very like clutch style, which I love actually wearing like this. So okay. Really quick, it doesn't have like the turn lock feature that the Chanel does. That's why I say it's more like the Gucci Marmontes. It's a snap closure, and as you can see, the lambskin has this kind of like line going down and then to the side like an L shape, and it has the iconic HB. Honestly, I can go about all those details, but let me talk to you about everything I love about it. This back. Look at how chic and cute, like, just the pattern is. But it actually is a back pocket with a magnetic lock. So, like, you can grab this phone, you can check it in, and then, did you hear that? See, look. It's the magnetic closure. It's really great for keeping your things safe, and I think that those are one of my favorite features on a bag. A back pocket that is functional, and it can also, you know, it's an added security with this little magnetic closure. And then let's open it up. So magnetic closure, there's the Henri Bendel right there, right in the middle, and it's New York. And my other favorite feature is this little compartment right here. If you want to like put money, or if you want to put like your cards, something that's easy to access and not put in the bigger pocket, this is like one of those dope features. It's not full leather in the interior. It's like a kind of fabric, satiny, like nice feel bag. And then there's this little pocket right here, and then there's a zipper compartment right here. And this is usually where they keep when you get the bag new, the story of how Henri Bendel started. And honestly, like, what can I say about this bag is it's pretty durable. I stuff it to the brim. I don't know where my portable charger is, but my portable charger is like this big. It's like portable because it lasts like really long. But I chuck it in here with a Continental wallet, with a card holder, with a bunch of cash, my lippies, and you can put so much things in here. And what's great too is you can't even mush it up. I actually have enjoyed it, like holding it like this. But you can, you know, you can double it up, you can use single, you can crossbody it, which I'm not really a fan of. I prefer shoulder if it's gonna go on my body like this, or I double it up. I double it up, and I go like this. So elegant. I think it's like any flat bag, really. Like, it's not as cumbersome or worrisome to deal with, just because of the leather. I think that's one of the things that might scare people off, and they're like, well, this isn't like one of those high-end leather, and it's like, this is 8 months, and I actually haven't checked it for wear, but let me just double check it right now. Ooh, we are super close. So I'm looking for wear. Like, look at the corners. I don't see any. Oh, there might be something there. No. Yeah, see, the corners look good. But even the bottom looks good, and I don't take care of my bags. So honestly, it's looking really great for 8 months. I think there was like a month where I used it like at least like 3, 4, 5 times a week. And it has held up. And I actually brought this to Cancun. So that's where, when I posted about my Cancun trip, somebody commented, oh, can you do a review of this bag? And that's why I'm doing it. But I think that it's held up. Even, it was raining in Cancun. Like, different days when we came, and I was just like, oh my gosh, like, I brought the wrong bag. But it actually worked out. And I've actually gotten this wet. I think I've gotten scuffs on it, and all you have to kind of do is buff it out. It's the epitome of that bag on a budget. You're getting the iconic silhouette of a flap style bag. You're getting the, you know, the shoulder drop the way a Gucci Marmont style is, but it's not breaking the bank. This right now, I believe, like, if you get the ones that aren't on sale, since I don't think they have it on sale right now, but if you get it, the ones that aren't on sale, I think it's like $498. There were 2 really cool versions of this bag. One was the graffiti style, so it was like the the black lamb, and it was graffitied up, and it was white graffiti. And then there was a second one that was this color, but it was made out of cloth, and it had like a very ornate, not ornate, like there was a print on it that was really cool. And so if I can find those links, I'll link it below, but I don't think they make those anymore. The great thing about Henri Bendel is once they end the season, they don't remake the same stuff. So like this specific color and style, you won't be able to match unless you got it from the season it was released, which was this past year. They do have like the black and white and the peach one, but I doubt, I've never seen colors return and even styles return exactly the same way. And so I think that I would recommend this bag. I don't really have much to say to it, but you can like use it for casual, you can use it for dressy, for you can use it for like day to night, and the whole like shoulder to doubling up to clutching. I personally, my favorite look of this is clutching it, and even just holding it like this, like a book bag. And the lambskin, it's like A1 steak sauce. Like, I can't believe that it's actually lasted this well, especially for like 8 months into it, with like a lot of abuse, like flinging it back and forth. And so, if you want a bag that you're gonna enjoy and still look chic and be able to wear numerous tons of ways, and even in this color, like the really fun colors, you'd be surprised. Like they're just really great statement pops. Like you see, I'm like wearing this kind of like these like earthy shades, and then this is a pop. Yeah, I don't know if I covered everything on it, but even I think I caught it. Like I was gonna talk about like, it gets heavy. Honestly, any bag can get heavy if you stuff the shiz out of it. So I don't know what y'all is putting in your bags, or maybe you need to work out and build some of that shoulder muscle, but I think this bag will be good for all genders, folks that don't, you know, for folks that have different styles, for folks that want to be dressy and casual, and it can be worn so many ways that I think you'll be fine. I don't think this was a very good review video. If you think the same, please click the down like button. I enjoy when people click the down like button. If you have any questions that I miss, I can answer it on the comment section below. Throw hate comments, throw shade at me. I don't care. I'm back, so we're gonna enjoy this while I'm still here. But yes, this is, and let me say it again because I have to say it for the record, so in case you want to look it up, this is the Henri Bendel 712 Convertible Shoulder Flap in the Tahitian Tide. There are different colors for it. It retails for $4.98. The dimensions you can figure out yourself. Go on the website. Honestly, I don't understand when people put in those stupid inches, and I'm like, do you really know what 12 inches looks like? I mean, I do, but for other reasons. We're so bad. We're so bad. Yeah, so this is a cute bag. You should get it. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment below. And then last thing, one final shout out to my sales associate from Henri Bendel, Mon Sutter, and I was connected through Frozen Luxury. She's super amazing. She works at the Henri Bendel Beverly Center, and she helped me get this. And for me, like I told y'all, this is a really special bag for me. Like, I'm very intentional about my bags for the most part, and I try to be strategic as well as thoughtful. And so this is a really iconic piece, and thanks for helping me get this, and I've totally enjoyed it. Yeah, so thanks for tuning in, Felicities. That's all I gotta say. This shit's gonna fall, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, Felicities.